Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert or remove a SIM card from your Samsung Galaxy S23 model. So let's get started. So first thing you'll need, of course, is a SIM ejector tool like this. It usually comes with the phone. If you don't have this, you can also take a paper clip and bend it till you get something like this. Or old earring as well will work. Now the SIM card on this model is located at the very bottom near the charge port. You see right here, there's a hole. That's the SIM port. In order to basically first take it out, you can take that tool, put it in that hole, and give it a nice push. So it does take a little push, and then this pops out. And then you take your fingers and just pull it out just like that. As you can see here, once you pull it out, it's going to show like this. It'll say that SIM1 right here. So we'll go ahead and put that right there where it says SIM. So I have a SIM card here. You want to see that corner right here. You want to match up the corners right there so it sits perfectly. So for this one, it's going to be facing us up where that is. Just like that, and it's going to sit perfectly like that. So just press it down till it fits nice and nicely and easily on the tray. So, and once you have put it on there, just simply relocate that hole and then just insert it back in the way you took it out. So just go with your fingers just like that. And as you can see here, it will sit flush. That means it's working. And from there on, you should be able to get service. You might have to restart it, especially if you added a new SIM card. So go ahead and restart, and it's going to restart. And from there on, it should work. So that's how you go ahead and insert or remove a SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.